Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel. And guys, today is 25th of October and the special part about today is that I'm going to attend a wedding, a Goan Catholic wedding. Now that is not a big issue guys. The biggest issue is it is raining, as you guys can see. It's a very rainy day. Rain has stopped for a while at the moment, but guys, the wedding is tonight. If by chance when I'm going for the wedding, if it rains, then I will make a vlog of this video and I will show you guys what happens in Goa when there is a wedding and if it is raining. So it is going to be a very interesting and a very curious video guys. I also don't know what is going to happen there. It is Rollingen's wedding and Rollingen is a very active youth member at the church. If you guys know him, then see that you comment below guys. Do give him a shout out. So there will be lots of young crowd there, a very happening crowd. Another important thing guys, the wedding is in Eden, Goa. Now that is exactly where the Eden farm is guys. You guys have seen the videos of Eden farm. The place looks amazing, but we have not been to the hall guys. We have not been to the reception hall. I had taken a drone footage of it, if you guys remember. Then I will put a link of the Eden farm video in the description or in the I button above. You can definitely go there and check that video out. But that is exactly where we are going. So I think I'm going there for the first time for the wedding. It's a completely new hall and maybe this is the first wedding that is happening there guys. We'll check it out. It is going to be interesting. So let's see what happens guys. Keep watching the video and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, I did not start my bike for a while. So what I will do today is I will start my bike and I will see if it is starting. I don't know if the battery still has the power to start it. So as we are waiting for the weather to improve, I will start my bike. How many of you guys love riding? Do let me know in the comment section below. Okay guys, so my bike started, so I will keep it on for a while so that the battery gets charged. Till then, as you guys can see, the rain is pouring in. I'm hoping that the rain will stop because we have an amazing wedding today guys. It's almost the end of October and it's raining like this. It looks as if we are in June, July guys. Then finally the rain stopped for a while and it was dry when the mass was going on, which was a very good thing. Then guys, it was time to go for the wedding. So on our way, it was slightly drizzling. Now as we reached, you guys can see the parking is full. Now the entrance looked amazing, you guys can see that here. So I guess the hall should be jam-packed inside. So today for sure we are going to have all dancing crowd. All the youth staff will be there. So let's see what happens guys. This is an absolutely new hall guys. And I'm guessing that this is the first wedding here. Now people were already on the floor and they were dancing. And the floor was full of water as you guys can see. But it was not raining at the moment, which is a good sign. So let's see what happens further in this video guys, as things are getting interesting.
Your turn. Say.
Now as you guys can see, people are enjoying like anything here. The floor is fully wet, people are dancing on the wet floor and now there is no stopping guys. The show must go on. Now guys, everyone was having a blast out here. Just then it started raining. As you guys can see, it has started pouring. But the dance is not going to stop, guys. People are not going to stop their dancing. As you guys can see, it is raining, and this is what happens in Goa, guys. Guys, here we are for the Rollingen wedding. It is raining out here, but the Goan wedding just cannot stop, guys. So this is what is happening in the Now guys, I think even Mika was there for the wedding. This guy looks exactly like Mika, but if you guys know him, do comment below his real name. Now guys, the rain did not stop after this. It just kept pouring. Even the dancing did not stop. Nothing stopped, guys. We also had a great time because it was a very happening crowd, guys. Now believe me guys, not all Goan weddings are like this. It's a very rare case where you get weddings like this, guys. And more rare than that is you very rarely see rain pouring like this.
Who spends more money? Extra money. Yeah. Come on! Hey!
Okay guys, there you have it. That was an amazing wedding in the rain. We truly enjoyed it. So guys, hoping that you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out until we meet again.